day 12 of Vlogmas. We're going to do a what I eat in the day video, plus what I do in the day. So if you'd like to come on along and spend the day with me, be sure to watch this video. So today we're going to do what I eat in the day. We're going to do some shopping and I'll take you along with me. So let's get started. This is a good motto to follow when you're doing Weight Watchers. You always have a new set of points. I'm starting the day off with a 2-point iced coffee and 24 ounces of room temperature water. I like to drink it at room temperature because I can drink it quickly and get it down fast to start the day. Going out to take a walk. It's 60 degrees out today. I'm doing some errands and I think I'm gonna go walk in the park. 60 degrees in Ohio is really good. Before I take a walk, we're going to an elf shop at my grandkids' school. See if they can do some Christmas shopping. Here we go, shopping for Christmas. Good thing to teach at school. This was a cute event. They had craft projects, different places to shop, depending on who you wanted to buy for. Let me show me your hot chocolate. Mmm.
This is like a full eye.
I won a Little Debbie Christmas gingerbread soft cookie. I'm gonna bite its head off for a point. Yeah, it's missing its head in my tummy for 1 point. It's colder than I thought out here and so windy. So I don't know how long I'm gonna walk. Probably if the temperature says it's 58 with a 35-mile-per-hour wind, the wind chill is probably about 40, so it's not so warm. But at least I'm getting some outside exercise. Get those steps, get those steps, get those steps. For lunch, I'm making a sandwich. I'm going to put some turkey for 0 points and a piece of ham, slice of Velveeta cheese. Actually, I'm gonna melt this a little bit. So I melted the cheese and I'm going to put a little bit of Miracle Whip, light. That's what I like to use. And that's my lunch. 5 points for the sandwich, 3 points for the chips, so it's gonna be 8 points for lunch. For dinner, I'm making some pasta that I have made before. It's a really tasty recipe. I'm going to use some tomatoes, and then I'm going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil and sprinkle it over the tomatoes. Then I will sprinkle it with some garlic powder and use about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Then my secret is to use this Trader Joe's spinach and artichoke dip, and I will put it right in the middle of the tomatoes. I will set it right down in the middle of it. Then I will bake it uncovered in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna boil some of this Fiber Gourmet light linguine. It's 50% less calories than regular pasta. And I will make the entire bag, which is 8 ounces. So that's what the pasta looks like when it comes out of the oven. And I'm going to add a little bit of minced garlic. And you see the tomatoes can smash up. And I'm gonna mix that together. I'm gonna sprinkle some extra basil on it, about a teaspoon. Once you take it out of the oven, the tomatoes are soft and they kind of pop. And then I will add the pasta to it. and mix that up. And there is my dinner for tonight. The pasta and some side of cucumbers with about 1.5 teaspoons of Bolthouse Ranch dressing. And I will put the points on the screen, but this is a really yummy dinner. Do I like this or not? As you can tell, I'm at Target shopping. Christmas cookies. I'm buying this. I know I probably shouldn't buy it, but it's so good on oatmeal. And since oatmeal is 0 points, I'm gonna buy it. Yum. This is really good ice cream. It's low in points. They have mint chocolate chip and cookie dough. It's only 120 calories per serving. I'm gonna get all 3. So that's gonna be the end of my Vlogmas day 12. I ended the day using 27 points. And I kind of had a busy day, was doing a lot of different things, and I enjoyed that pasta meal. That was really good. So that'll be it for today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.